In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the light click transition effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this clip onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to move your playhead in between these two clips. Next, come over to your project panel and select this new item icon over here and select adjustment layer to create a new adjustment layer. And drag this adjustment layer onto your timeline over here. Select it, right click, select speed and duration, and set the duration to 20 frames. And hit OK. Next, hold down the Shift key and hit the left arrow twice to move back 10 frames. And reposition this adjustment layer so that it's positioned at 10 frames on the left and 10 frames on the right. Next, go over to the Effects tab and search for the Lens Flare effect. And select the lens flare under Generate and apply it onto your adjustment layer over here. Next, with your playhead at the start of your clip over here, toggle on the stopwatch next to Flare Center and Flare Brightness, and readjust the position value for the flare center so that your flare is at the top left position at the start. And move your playhead to the center, and move your flare to the middle, and move the position to the end, and adjust the flare to the right position. Next, move your playhead to the start of your clip once more, and under Flare Brightness, reduce the value to 0, and move your playhead to the middle, right next to this keyframe here, and increase the flare brightness to 300. And move the playhead to the end, and reduce the flare brightness to 0 once more. And that's it guys on how to create this light click transition effect in Premiere Pro.